So an artist known as Pakelo, all the way from the island of Maui, singing about a beautiful area known as Hana.
Aloha, Hana, kauani haha, kuaina o kiwa, mawei. Kaulana, kauliti, kilo kilo karikai, me manu alohe ana I kaihina, me manu alohe ana I kaihina. E aloha e kou maka, I ka mako ki kuahini, ohu I ka puhi me ai, o ka manu kalana kauhini, kila la o karihinai, me manu alohe ana I kaihina, me manu alohe ana I kaihina.
All right, a beautiful song there of an area called Hana on Maui.
That's the one.